Hello everybody, welcome to Vidyut Vanam. It's been more than 6 months since I have purchased my Aether 450X, but I haven't installed any screen guard or the screen protection layer on my scooter. I've always wanted to install one, but somehow it didn't happen before. So I have come to this friend's place who installs screen guard on mobile phones. So he had already installed a screen guard on few Aether 450X scooters. So let's see how it goes. So initially he had taken the dimensions of the screen. Just for showing it to you, I am taking the dimensions again. As you can see, these are the dimensions of the screen. After taking the dimensions, he cuts the screen guard of a particular size on his computer. So there is no manual work involved at all, which is really good because when somebody cuts a screen guard manually, like with a scissor or a blade, it is never perfect and it will always have issues. So better choose a computer cutted screen guard when you wanted to put one. So he is cutting it on a paper to give a rough idea about how the dimensions are, so that we can also verify whether the dimensions are correct or not. Yes, as you can see that the dimensions are absolutely perfect and we are good to go. Here we have two kinds of screen guards which you can choose from. One is the matte one and the other one is clear one. Clear is something like a screen where you can see all the things clearly, and matte is somewhat smoother. So I have preferred matte one because it will look a little bit good. Yes, our screen guard is ready and it is ready to be installed, but let's see whether the size is perfect or not. As you can see, we have put the paper on the screen guard and it is absolutely perfect. So there is no size difference at all. That's how perfect it is and we are good to go. So by the time he is cleaning all these things, I have a good news for you. For people who are staying in Hyderabad, you can go to this place in Ramnagar. This is the address, as you can see. And this is the mobile shop, and you can install your screen guard there. The actual cost of the screen guard and the installation is 500 rupees. But if you say that you are a Vidyut Vahanam subscriber, you will get a 10% discount, which is 50 rupees discount. So you will get the screen guard installation done for 450 rupees. So he is really good at putting these screen guards. You can have no doubts and blindly go there and install screen guards on your Aether 450X. And the screen guard is also of a really good quality. It has two protection layers. One is the down one, which you have seen earlier, and that is the second one, as you can see. So yes, I think we are done. Yes, we are done. So that is how you install your screen guard on your Ather 450X scooter. We'll turn on the ignition and we'll check whether the touch is working properly or not. Yes, as you can see that the touch is working absolutely perfect and it is looking really cool. And another thing that I want to tell you is this screen guard is waterproof. So you can go ahead and install this screen guard with no problems at all. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Vidyutvanam and press the bell icon for all the details about electric vehicles.